Oh, all right, fellas. Welcome back. Uh, I've been busy in here, uh, in and out of the house when I've got the free time. So again, we're just gonna have an update. I couldn't really put together much in line of editing up a video because oh God, I was like in and out, in and out, in and out over multiple days. But I'm gonna have an update now on the new brewery and where we're at with it. So, well, as you can see, we are all boarded out, and I've just finished it today. So go over hitherwards. It's all boarded out. Ceiling is all insulated and boarded. Just finished this wall today, and then I core drilled the humidistat fans out and started to put the conduit in there, and there. But it's coming on a treat. I've put in the back boxes. There's one behind the deck chairs there, the switch there, there's another one down there. So we're coming on. We're coming on. The next thing I'll be doing in here is plastering, I think. So what I did with the ceiling, because I've got the big extractor fan when I'm doing the boil, is going to be mounted to the ceiling. Here, above me, I put some half-inch ply into the ceiling and then boarded over the top, so I've got a good fixing round here to screw up the extractor hood. And I've done the same thing here. Set in some half-inch ply here because I'm going to be mounting the control panel there, and I wanted something solid for it to go into. But everything's where it should be, I think. This is the power that's going to come from the fuse board for the to control the, well, to add power, supply power to the brewery brewing side. So this is going to go into the rotary switch and then out the bottom into the control panel. But that's about it, fellas. It's looking like a proper room now, which is good, and it's going to look different again when I get it painted, plastered and painted. So I have the humidistat fans. The only things I need to buy for in here now, I think, is going to be the 2 LED strip lights and a sink and a tap for the sink area here. But it's coming together. It's looking good. It's looking really good, actually. I'm quite impressed with it. I ordered, because we've just last night, good old Bozza announced that we were going into another lockdown. So I ordered, I wasn't going to do it now, I was going to wait, but I've ordered the 10mm armoured from Screwfix, and that should be here tomorrow for me to pick up. We're going into lockdown on Thursday, so then I'll have the 10mm armoured. There's a 25 metre drum, which was like £114. So that's on its way, and once that's here, I was actually talking to the electrician mate of mine last night. He asked how I was getting on with it, and I said, well, I've just ordered the 10mm and then we can get it sort of wired up. And he said, yeah, just give me a ring. So that will be coming out of the house under the stairs, and then it'll be going up the wall, so it's out of the way. It'll track along the house, and then I'll put it along a cable that'll be anchored to the wall of the house and the wall of the brewery to take the weight of the 10mm armoured, and then straight into where the fuse board is. And then once that's done, then I can start to just put everything back together again. So it still seems like there's a lot to do. I need a massive tidy up, but basically plastering, painting, and then I can get the brewery wired up, start putting things back together again. I think what I'm going to do as well, I was toying about, I mean, eventually I'll get a stainless steel table set up for the pots to go on. But for now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have somewhat of a floating worktop. So I'd rather not have the legs going down to the floor, because if there's any spillages, I want to be able to get under it all with a mop. So I'll probably run some CLS along there, bring it out with the worktop on, and then brace it off the wall to take the weight back onto the wall and make do without having legs onto the floor. I think that'll work a little bit better, and it will probably actually give me more room underneath that table to stack boxes and stuff like that. But yeah, then we can just get everything back together. Well, that's it, fellas. Just a quick update. It's coming along, and I can't wait to get it plastered. I think when it's plastered and painted, then we can start building it back up. Oh dear. Exciting times. Right, I'm off. Keep safe, and I'll see you with another one. Baby, look at that hole.